valves. Now, on that other fan shroud. Yeah, I'll find it later. Maybe under the front suspension somewhere. Now, if you fall and break, I'm gonna be really mad. Yeah, go ahead and give that a try. Damn it. I didn't take that out at all. Oh. Make sure everything's at an angle that you can't possibly ever get to it. No, well, I'm going to be replacing this whole thing, huh? Yeah, because it's junk. Get all the gasket together. Look at that. There's no way that thing should be torqued like that. It's kind of a Frankenstein of a 2- and 4-wheel drive. I would have put it back 2-wheel drive, but the rear planet was shot and I didn't want to mess with it. It's a 2-wheel drive, but it has a transfer case in it. Still got to fix the radiator. Put some JB Weld on it. It'll hold on. It's all together. Doesn't seem to be leaking a drop. I just took parts of one and put it in another. Oh, the radiator is crap. I have to fix that. That radiator needs to go into trash anyway. This is all temporary. We're going to take all this out, throw it in the dump. We're going to see what kind of motor and transmission we can fit in this car to make it a little more fun. It needs to be a real 4-wheel drive and not this fake thing. It needs some suspension work. So you use this hammer and you just whack that guy right there. I've lost the fan. This is important here too. Oh, well, maybe these pliers will work. Let me try them pliers. Well, I think I need that big screwdriver. Yeah, let me try that big screwdriver over here. Yep, let's see. Crap. Oh, maybe I just use this. Yeah, I think I need that orange hammer. Definitely that orange hammer. Son of a bitch, where'd the hammer go?